us what are the most effective hair loss treatment for men and women. So if you would like to talk about it separately, like for men or for women.
Yes, so for medical treatments for hair loss in men and women, by hair loss, I think we mean male and female pattern hair loss, because these are the commonest causes of hair loss in men and women. So US FDA has approved minoxidil for females, topical minoxidil to be applied on the scalp as a remedy for female pattern hair loss, and minoxidil and oral finasteride tablets for males for male pattern hair loss. These are the US FDA approved drugs. Apart from that, as we just now talked about various nutrients and other vitamins and minerals which are required, now there have been studies that different minerals and vitamins, if we lack them, then also there can be male and female pattern hair loss seen. So this triggers the DHT problem. That way we should actually give the vitamins and minerals tablets which are very specific for hair. So those should be given. Along with that, good lifestyles should be followed. And then there are therapies. There are various therapies which can be suggested to the patient along with the medical therapy. So these are the platelet-rich plasma therapy, the mesotherapy, now dutasteride therapy, and low-level laser therapy along with derma rollers or derma stamping or derma pen. So all this can be combined together as per your consultant or your doctor, whoever you are going to, and then you can chalk out a plan for yourself.
Yeah. So we have a long list of videos we have made about men and women hair loss and the treatment, and you can watch those videos in the link given above to know more about the treatment specifically for men and for women. And one very funny question which people come and ask us is that can they trim or razor shave the hairs and then the next time they'll have a decreased hair fall and the hairs will grow out better? Is there some truth to this myth, or is it just a myth?
So this is such a common thing. People say that, doctor, I shaved my head so that I now will grow new hair. So what happens is, when you shave your head, you actually shave all of it. So you shave those hairs also which are already going. So they are in the vellus stage.
Yeah.
So we know that hair are of three types. One is terminal, which is more than 0.06 millimeter. In between is intermediate 0.06 to 0.03. Then और नीचे आइए 0.03 से कम बहुत पतले downy hairs, brownish, which are bound to fall. आप कितना भी medication दे दो. So these hairs, downy hairs, vellus hairs, at least they were there when you were not shaving. But when you shaved them, they will not grow back. So what happens if you are suffering from hair loss and you are having vellus hairs and you shave your head, you will not grow back the downy hairs and you will face thinning of hairs. So on the contrary, you will have thin hairs than what you had before. So this is a myth.
Also, we don't see the small hairs falling, so this gives us a less amount of stress.
Yeah.